Alright, here's the Tesla door handle. We got it fixed. As you can see, watch. Pull it out. There it goes, pops the door. Put it back. And see, it retracts properly there. Did you catch that? There it is there. And then we take and lock it. There it is. And just so we can see all the door handles. Perfect. They're all working now. Lock it. Got it. Let's see what's it. Oh yeah. It's ugly. Here, actually, let's open it. Done. And just so we got, I'll show it what the other one looks like. Thanks, Aaron. This is a brand new one. They changed these modules. They used to be mounted up here. I changed it to this new design here. Requires another sub harness, the new switches and everything. There's a retrofit kit that you would get in addition to this normally when you buy it. We're going to install this. Figured out it was wrong, went down to Tesla, bought this thing, which is a real pain in the butt to buy anything from them. We installed our chrome handle on it, and then noticed half the parts are missing that we needed. I sent an email out to them 2 days ago, didn't respond. So I just started messing with the old one and I got it working. So it's done.